ready to play bingo. Bingo, bingo. Yes. And I got my carnival thing down. Uh-huh. Yep. One, two, three, and four. So I hope y'all will be able to see because it's dark. They had the light on, but then they turned the light off. Mm. Yep. See if we can win some money tonight. Uh-huh. Oh, it got so many of them in here. Can y'all see?
All right, Mr. 5 minutes out before we get started. We're going to just a few minutes for people to trickle in. It's raining, there's cops in the parking lot. We try not to
So it's been a while. It's been a while since I played bingo. Yeah, I played it on the cruise ship, but never not like in a setting like this. So we're gonna see how this gonna go. I think I can go ahead on and dap on my free spots though. Yeah, I don't think that should be an issue.
All right, welcome to Dirty Dirty Fucking Bingo Edition. We got pocket pussies, we got fires, vibrant nipple clamps, got a little rose, metal masturbators.
Y'all, I forgot to tell y'all it's called Dirty Bingo. So she just said they got all this stuff.
Alright, so it's your birthday day. How old are you tonight? What's your profile say? 49, baby. Anyone else celebrating? Anyone else celebrating? Do we know about? Wow. I think like non-stop, 3 shows a day right now. It's working. Oh, I'm good. Alright, kids. We're gonna start with a blue card. Blue card only. How many persons we got? You got any newbies? Oh, I know it's gonna raise your hand about the card, but it's saying. I'm new. Happy birthday, raise your hand. First time here. Alright, babies. We're gonna start with the blue card only, and play all 3 squares on the blue card. Every game is a straight line any way you can. Vertical, diagonal, horizontal. So we're in St. Augustine, ourselves, good Lord Georgia, Georgia third show today. So, straight up and down, left to right, half a fuck and X. We only have one winner per game. So you gotta be the first one to yell bingo. You come here, let me check your card. Now it is dirty, dirty fucking bingo. It's a crazy opinion, who closer? Alright, our first ball. B9. 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 B9, baby. I-30. I-30. I-3. At G49, the birthday girl ball. G49. B10. If it's 10, stick the fluffer in B10. Some of y'all gotta go twice to hit the mark. It's okay. It counts. It adds up.
G49.
Okay. 5 plus 5.
B10.
I-26. I-26. And B6. Suck someone's dick. B6. That's how you make friends here. B6. Just remember, close mouth never gets a dick in it. There you go. That's a nice way to tell me to shut up. Right? Close mouth never gets a dick in it. O70, O70. O70, O70. G51, G51. G51. G60, G60. And O74, O74. Oh yeah, when we do it, 69, we wait for a shot. So once we hit that, we'll know. N44, N44. I-24, to fuck the back door. Gotta leave the corn nuggets. I-28, stick a finger in your butt and masturbate. I-28.
I-28.
Just don't forget to scratch your nose. O62, O60. You gotta finger your butt. Once you get past the knuckle, your butthole buckles. I-20, I-20, I-20. Happy winter again, my God. I-22. I-22. N40, N40,
N40.
B2. You have at least 2 holes. Bingo. B2. You have the other Oh, I know what it is. Who you want to look about that? You got to really fucking drive out for you. Alright, let's go through some more as we yell, fuck you! 1, 2, 3, fuck you! Hey, this is called a tickle dolphin. Pull it on top to make her come, turn it upside down, make sure come. Stand by there and dolphin us and tickle the and also make sure you get bigger. And make sure you get bigger as well. There you go. And keep it coming too quick. Those things are good stuff.
So they giving sex toys. Like
N39, N39, N39.
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 N39, N39, N39. Whew.
Now all those are got more of the orange card. Orange card. Yeah, it's the same on every game until the end. Every game we do a straight line anyway you can to the very control. B7. B7. 7 taking it down. Let's do B7. 11. One. Before you even smell it first, sometimes the wheels go. Before. You gotta check the plate before you serve it.
Before.
Small booty, small booty. Smells longer than much cheese. O71. O71.
Oh, seven.
O71. O71. G47. G47. If you relax your throat, you won't choke. G47. You gotta relax your throat, breathe through your nose. At least that's what I breathe for. G52. 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 There you are. We're on the orange card. That's your name. Did you pee a little bit? I pee a little bit. Takes all that hard ground to bring out the line and water out. I'll cover it as we're going to cover it. You know you're sneezing too a little bit.
Oops.
Alright, ladies. Go to your first color, people. We got B4. B4. Yeah, these are what's I'm calling back to them because they just can't read these. They're like, what the fuck, that bitch drunk already? I will start reading some shit like I drunk, y'all know. So B7, honey. And then these are ones you already got. B11. And then N39. And G47, G52. Okay. Red B4 is lovely. And then G47 and G52. And then O71. Now you're caught up. Alright, kids, this is new ball. O75. New one. O75. O75. G60. 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 And B9, stick it the behind. B9. Hold from the back. I-20. I-20. I-20.
Oh. No, I-20. That's wrong.
I-29. That's what Crystal Leo says. I-29. Yes, she's the rough fucking hard. Too much party at a young age. I-18. 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 1-8. We got a little butt plugs. The last one was I-18. N36. N36. Determined trait. And 36. Shit, the government shut down, y'all better sell some pussy. The government shut down, you might as well. Well, I was gonna sell some pussy because the first and 15th gonna slow down, y'all better sell some shit. Y'all better sell some shit now, you're starting. Or pull your dick out, get it sucked. I'm just saying, make this a coin. Make this a coin. Honey, I'm just using the excuse so I can suck some dick. Why's that great? I'll read the rest of it. That was I-29 and I-18, sweetie.
I-29.
Yeah, but look at
I-18.
It's Thursday. Let's start some bitches some games.
So that was
Well,
wrong.
they make till Friday. Baby's gotta have some roots. G49, G49. Black shit fruit, gurgle, gurgle. Gurgle those babies. I-27, I-27. I-63, 063, 63. I-16, I-16. I-16, 1-6. And I-21, I-21. We have to talk to louder because we're spinning. I-21. At G55, G, alright. They got it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah! Alright, so there you go. I know it's in history class. Look at the Squid Games and shit.